everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to sign in Gmail account in your iPhone. To sign in Gmail account, first of all open your Gmail application you have in your device. From there choose any option you have. For now I'm choosing Google and then hit on the continue. Now if you have already your Gmail account, then simply click on email or iPhone, but if you don't have, then you have to create new account by hitting on the create account. From here write your email address and hit on the next. Now hit on the continue again. Then it will require your Face ID. Simply hit on the continue. Once you hit on that, you are good to go. So in this way you can easily sign into Gmail account. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.